What I'm doing, I'm putting the piston rings. Well, I'm not using these pistons because they're smaller than the block, so I need to switch them, but I'm gonna be switching to these rods, the racing ones. You get the clip over here. Double fork, ARP. This brand pretty good with the rings. Everything is labeled. Top, second, and oil. And this one's for the oil, the best ones. To be putting the pistons inside of the crankshaft. This is how they come. Usually the other ones they're separated and then you need to add them. But on this ones, let me show you how I open them. I just look for this groove over here and then I extend it like this, and then I extend it a little bit like this. I just do this. And then close it back up. And that's it. And this one with those letters that go up, and this one is the second part. With the letters that go up, and that's it. And basically all these gaps, they have to be in the cross. So one is looking this way, the other one this way, and the other one up. I'm just getting oil from here. Gonna have to improvise because the clamp broke. I'm gonna have to buy a clamp because this one is not working. So give me like 15 minutes. I'm coming right back. All right, guys. So I'm gonna end up the live right now. I'm gonna get that and then I'm coming right back. I'm sorry for that. I wasn't counting for that. When you put on, always make sure about the slap that doesn't shift side to side, because if it's not working fine, you're gonna have blow by and stuff like that. The rest of the rods, they have bearings already. I'm only missing the main bearings, which I'm gonna put on right now. That what I just did, it was because it got oil on the screw and the screw wasn't screwing how it should be. So that's how the engines, they get messed up over here in the screws. So if this happens to you guys, just clean the hole and you can put the screw back in. Since I'm by myself, I need to put the motor in the floor so I can torque it down. Just wanted to make sure that the torque was right. Now is to get all the screws that they're together. I'm doing that because all the time that you remove the oil pan, you bend it a little bit. That's why I'm hitting it down. Going back down because I need to torque it. I'm by myself. I'm gonna strap it down to the car because it's gonna keep moving on me. Those that go hand tight, it doesn't go with the impact tool. It's not spinning easy because I got the spark plugs on. That's why it was hard for me to turn it. I'm missing one part that goes right here. This job, it was done maybe like 2 hours and a half, something like that. Completing the whole engine. Obviously, I'm missing the accessories. They're in this car. This has to be removed because I got misfire on cylinder number 1. All right, guys. Thank you for joining in with me in building this engine and looking at my car. Happy New Year's and see you on the next one. See you guys.